You need to book an appointment in advance for the Norfolk Record Office search room. You must do this at least 48 hours before you would like to visit. You can either book a morning slot from 10 till 12:30 or an afternoon slot from 2 till 4:30. You may request up to 6 documents for your visit. These need to be requested upon booking. You will also be given a seat number. It is helpful if you apply for an archives card in advance, and details will be given upon booking. Your card can be picked up at the start of your visit. On arrival at the Norfolk Record Office, you'll be greeted by a member of staff. You're welcome to arrive between 10 to 10:30 for a morning session or 2 to 2:30 for an afternoon session. The staff member will take you to the building. Upon entering the building, you must wear a face mask unless you are exempt for medical reasons. We are participating in the NHS Test and Trace scheme. Please download the NHS app before visiting and scan the QR code to check into the venue when you arrive. Hand sanitizer is available when you enter the building and at other points during your visit, such as the entrance to the search room. Please ensure you use the sanitizer and/or wash your hands regularly. The long gallery has been cleared of furniture. Please continue down the corridor towards the lockers at the end, keeping to the left if anyone is coming the other way, and ensuring you keep at least 2 meters apart. Each of the lockers are numbered. Please place your belongings in the locker which corresponds with your seat number. You can keep out any writing implements and paper and take them through to the search room as usual. Next, you can enter the search room in the usual way. You will notice that protective screens have been put up around the staff desk. Please wait in a socially distanced queue in order to scan your archives card. The documents you have ordered will be waiting for you at your allocated seat. If you require any weights or a book cushion, this will also be put out ready for you. Once you have finished your research, please replace your documents into the box, which will be cleared away at the end of the session. We are currently operating a restricted service. Therefore, reference books are not available for the time being. Please collect your belongings from the lockers and leave the building via the long gallery, remembering to keep to the left. We look forward to seeing you soon.